How to move photos to album on Facebook. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move photos to a specific album on Facebook, whether you want to organize your photos or just keep things tidy. I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First things first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device, or you can go to the Facebook website on your computer and make sure you're logged in to your account. Next, go to your profile. By tapping on your profile picture or name, scroll down a bit and you'll see a photos section, as you can see here. Now, browse through your photo and select the one that you want to move to a different album. Tap on it to open it. See here, add to album. Simply tap on it and it will show you all the albums you have on Facebook. As currently I don't have any albums, so I will be needing to create an album. Let's say I want to name it Inspo. Tap on save. And that's it. Now you know how to move photos to a different album on Facebook.